If you love Turkish series with English subtitles, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into 10 amazing Turkish dramas that are fully available on YouTube with English subtitles. Let's get into it. 1. Kalp Yaras, Heart Wound. Ferit and Hande are about to get married with the full support of their families. But when Ferit returns home early and catches Hande in a compromising moment with their childhood friend Yaman, everything changes. He escapes to Istanbul in heartbreak, only to meet Ayse, a kind-hearted woman who brings light into his shattered world. Will Ferit's new connection heal the wounds of betrayal? Watch and find out. 2. Dui Beni, Hear Me. This drama explores the dark realities of school bullying and class discrimination. Ekim and Kanat come from two different worlds, yet they're drawn into each other's lives through a shocking incident at school. With intense chemistry and strong social commentary, this series has quickly become a fan favorite. To uncover the truth behind the injustice, follow their fight for justice. 3. Sevmek Zaman, Time to Love. The story revolves around Firuj, a girl from a humble background who unexpectedly falls for Khan, a man from a completely different world. Their love story begins with a small detail, her initials stitched on a handkerchief, but it turns into a whirlwind that shakes everyone around them. What happens when dreams collide with reality? This drama has the answer. 4. Masumiyat, Innocence. This psychological thriller follows Bahar, a mother fighting for her daughter's justice. Her daughter is caught in a complicated relationship with one of the city's wealthiest and most influential men. But with conflicting flashbacks and blurred truths, who is really guilty? To untangle this mystery, dive into this intense journey. 5. Sol Yan, My Left Side. Sarah appears to have it all: beauty, elegance, and mystery. But behind the facade lies deep pain. After losing her brother and being abandoned by her father, she works hard to support her mother. When her classmates mistake her for a rich girl, things spiral out of control, especially when the campus heartthrobs start to notice her. Want to see how truth shakes illusion? Watch this emotional ride. 6. Sanyas, Last Summer. This story centers on a tough prosecutor who is forced to take in the son of a dangerous criminal. In return, the criminal agrees to reveal key evidence. But things take an emotional turn when they all head back to the prosecutor's hometown, where personal and professional lives collide. Will justice survive when emotions get involved? You'll want to watch this one. 7. Ada Masal, Island Tale. Hajiran is sent to a small island for work but ends up staying after a surprise decision. She has to run a hotel in partnership with Poyraz, someone who couldn't be more different from her. What starts with conflict slowly turns into undeniable attraction. Will the waves of the island wash away their differences? Find out in this romantic tale. 8. Teskilat, The Shadow Team. This action-packed thriller introduces us to a secret group working for the National Intelligence Organization. When the nation's safety is threatened, these unsung heroes risk it all. With loyalty, sacrifice, and a fast-paced plot, every episode is a rush. Curious to see how far patriotism can go? Step into their world. 9. Camp Tavanlar, Love Reserved. Leela has faced abandonment, grief, and betrayal, yet she rises strong. After building a successful restaurant business, she faces challenges from the male-dominated industry. Enter CEM, a former classmate with his own ambitions and charm. Their constant clashes spark unexpected emotions. What happens when rivals start to fall in love? Don't miss this romantic drama. 10. Gul Masal, Tale of Rose. After her mother's death, Gonka inherits a mysterious legacy that takes her to Sparta. There, she meets Toprak, a man from the powerful Atabe family. As Gonka digs into her past, hidden secrets and family tensions unravel a beautiful yet complicated romance. Can love bloom among secrets and sorrow? Watch this beautiful tale unfold. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, drop your favorite drama in the comments, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more amazing stories. See you in the next one.